Hi, I'm Brendan Petersen and I'm the CEO of the mining, energy and industrial business. The best part of my job? Without a doubt, it's visiting the projects. Setting them off on their day the best way possible, I think, is what reminds me why I do this job. When I look at Downer, I like the organisation delivers what it says and what it's about. I look at the past delivery of a company, I look at its leadership and I look at its plan going forward, and I think Downer's got those three things well organised. Downer is very well set up to deal with a constant changing market. Not many organisations at the moment have that diversity and that ability to move and be agile with the markets that we work in. One piece of advice, it's about you can achieve anything if you don't care who gets the credit. And I like that quote because it reminds you of the humility you have as a leader. As a team, you can achieve almost anything if you don't care about who's going to hold the trophy at the end.